Looking for the best bicycles and electric scooters? In this video, we've picked the top 5 best options that offer amazing performance, durability, and value for money. Whether you need a safe and fun ride for kids or a powerful electric scooter for daily commuting, we've got you covered. From beginner-friendly designs to high-speed machines, these products are perfect for every type of rider. Watch till the end to find the best one for you. Number 5. Kids Balance Bike and Scooter. This 2-in-1 Kids Balance bike and scooter is perfect for young beginners who are just starting their riding journey. Designed for safety and fun, it features a strong and durable frame that can handle everyday use. The lightweight design makes it easy for kids to control, while the stable wheels help them learn balance quickly. It's an excellent choice for building confidence and coordination at an early age. Whether riding indoors or outdoors, this product provides a fun and safe experience that both kids and parents will love. Number 4. iScooter i10 650 watts. The iScooter i10 is a powerful and reliable electric scooter designed for smooth city commuting. With its 650-watt motor, it delivers strong performance and consistent speed, making daily travel easy and efficient. The foldable design allows you to carry and store it conveniently, perfect for busy lifestyles. It offers a comfortable ride with stable handling, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. If you want a smart, eco-friendly, and cost-effective way to travel, this scooter is definitely worth considering for your daily routine. Number 3. Arwibon 5600 watts. Dual motor. If you're looking for extreme power and speed, the Arwibon 5600 watts dual motor scooter is built for you. This high-performance scooter delivers incredible acceleration and top speed, making it perfect for thrill seekers. Its strong build and off-road tires ensure stability even on rough terrain. Whether you're riding on city roads or exploring outdoor paths, this scooter offers a powerful and exciting experience. With its advanced features and durable design, it's a great choice for anyone who wants both performance and adventure in one ride. Number 2. JOYOR S5z 600 watts. The JOYOR S5z is a well-balanced electric scooter that combines performance, safety, and comfort. Its 600-watt motor provides smooth and steady power, making it perfect for daily commuting. Equipped with useful features like turn signals and a stable frame, it ensures a safe riding experience. The foldable design adds convenience, allowing easy transport and storage. Whether you're heading to work or exploring the city, this scooter offers reliability and efficiency. It's a smart choice for anyone looking for a dependable and user-friendly electric scooter. Number 1. Arwibon GT06 1200 watts. The Arwibon GT06 stands out as the top choice with its powerful 1200-watt motor and premium build quality. It delivers strong performance, making it ideal for long rides and adventurous journeys. The durable design and large battery ensure reliability and extended usage without worry. Its off-road capability allows you to ride confidently on different terrains. Whether you need a high-performance scooter for daily use or exciting outdoor rides, this model has everything you need. It's the perfect combination of power, durability, and advanced features. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. All product links are in the description. Check them out and grab the best deal now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome product videos like this.